we have this very interesting geometry question with us. This whole question involves Pythagoras theorem. Let's see how we can solve this question. In this question, we are given two right triangles and we need to find the value of x. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in right triangle QPS. Okay. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, we will get QP square plus PS square is equals to QS square. Correct? Now what is QP? QP is x square. PS is x plus 3 whole square is equals to QS square. Now we will be using one algebraic identity which is a plus b whole square. It says a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so we will be using this algebraic identity in the next step. So we will have qs square is equals to x square. Let's expand this bracket using this identity. We will get x square plus 9 plus 6x. Okay, so after this step, we will be simplifying this further. Let's simplify this. So if we simplify this, we will get qs square is equals to 2x square plus 6x plus 9. So we will be using this in later part of the question. Now we will jump to right triangle RQS and apply Pythagoras theorem there again. Okay. So this whole question is based on Pythagoras theorem. If we apply Pythagoras theorem here, we will get QR square plus QS square is equals to RS square. That means QR. What is QR? 8 square. What is QS square? We just found out here. Yes, we have found out QS square. That is 2x square plus 6x plus 9 is equals to RS square. RS is x plus 8 square. Okay. Now this will also be expanded using the same algebraic identity that we used in the first part of the question. If we simplify this, we will get 2x square plus 6x plus 73 is equals to x square plus 64 plus 16x. If we simplify this further, we will get x square minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we will go for middle term splitting. After middle term splitting, we will get x minus 9 x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what can be the value of x? X can either be 1 or it can be 9. So there are two possible values of x here. Correct? You can even substitute the values of x, 1 and 9 in the figure and check whether they are working or not. I have checked and both of them are working pretty fine. So our final answer is x is either 1 or 9. So these are the two possible values of x.